I was in this area earlier today, not familiar with the place. I turned right anyway. Little did I know that there is a small sign here. It's not here, it's here. So, I turn right, I take a U-turn. Pagdating ko dito, may nakaabang na sa akin na traffic enforcer. Naku, sir. Bakit ka kumanan dyan, sir? Naku po, sir. Ang no entry. 2,000 yan. Tapos, kailangan nyo po pong tubos dito kasi wala pong online payment. Taga saan po ba kayo? Kuya, taga QC po ako kaya ako hindi familiar sa area. Ah, ganun po ba? Naku, meron ka pong 10 days para i-claim yun. Pero yun na nga, kailangan mo pumunta dito. Ano sa tingin mo, sir? No entry, 2,000. Ang laki naman nun. Talaga ba? Di ba mas mura yun? Sabi, hindi, ganun talaga, sir. No entry yan eh. Tinawag niya yung friend niya. And then I noticed, si traffic enforcer friend has something that this traffic enforcer doesn't have. The friend has a body cam. Itong si nanghuli sa akin, wala siyang body cam, kaya ganun siya magsalita. And the difference in their dialogue is night and day. Yung nanghuli sa akin na walang body cam, immediately leaves. The way the friend enforcer was talking to me, straight to the point, professional. Ano ba nangyari dito? Sabi niya, sir, kung ganun, ang fine ko na lang sa'yo, obstruction. Mas mura po yun. And ito, nung tinanong ko, magkano po ba yung obstruction kumpara sa no entry na 2,000? Sir, di po kasi kami pwede mag-discuss ng price eh. Hold on! Didn't your friend just talk about prices? So, in hindsight, now that I think about it, I think it's worth making an appeal. Other than that, from the get-go, I was willing to accept my fine. I made a mistake, and road rules are road rules.